Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aquarius people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. And apart from that, I am also going to check the action which your person can take towards you in next 10 days. Okay. So this reading is going to be for the first 10 days of August month. Okay, let's start the reading for Aquarius. Aquarius people, I am going to pick three cards. Okay, one to check your current energy, one card to check your partner's current energy, and one card to check what actions they can take towards you in next coming 10 days. Aquarius people, this is your current energy, Knight of Swords. So you are eager to take a step towards something or towards this relationship. You are eager to start something. You are eager to take action. Okay, and you are not going to stop at any cost because you know what you want. So it seems like you are running towards your person. You are chasing your person like anything. And it also seems like for some of you Aquarius that you do not want this person to be out from your life. All right. On the other hand, we have Queen of Swords. This is your partner's current energy. It seems like your partner is also waiting for you, Aquarius. The way this queen has, is waiting or seeing somewhere. It seems like they are waiting for you to come. It seems like they are seeing you from a distance. And he or she must be thinking that why this person is not arriving. I'm waiting here for this person. So at this point of time, this person is waiting for you, Aquarius. What actions they can take towards you in next 10 days is going to be the Ace of Swords. It seems like Aquarius, in the next coming 10 days, I'm feeling that your person is going to start something new in your life towards you. Okay, because as you can see that you are moving towards them in a you are running towards them. You just want to meet them at any cost. And also they are also waiting for you. Okay, so after seeing all such things, it seems like what's happening? Okay, so I feel that as soon as they can see you that you are coming towards them, they are definitely going to start something new. They are definitely going to start something big with you in this relationship. So a new chapter is about to begin in your life, Aquarius. Okay, all right. Oh my God, Aquarius, it seems like you are dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Evidently it's certainly here. Okay, so Aquarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.